Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's going on in the world of tech and antitrust today? Well, you might have heard that a federal judge just ruled that Google holds an illegal monopoly in parts of the online ad tech market, making it Google Trends Hub's second major antitrust loss in less than a year. So what does this mean for Alphabet, Google's parent company? The stock is dipping slightly, down about 1.3%, which might seem like a small price to pay, but trust us, this could be just the beginning of some significant changes. Rebecca Allensworth, an associate dean for research and professor at Vanderbilt Law School, joins us today to break it all down. According to Google Trends Hub, when we talk about antitrust cases against tech giants like Google, it's not just about keeping these companies in check, it's also about creating a more competitive market. Rebecca explains that consumers are likely the biggest beneficiaries of this ruling, as they'll see lower prices and more choices on platforms dominated by Google. Rebecca Allensworth joins us now to explain what this means for Google and how it might impact the tech industry at large. Welcome, Rebecca. Let's dive into the details of this case. The government is essentially saying that Google's dominant position in online ad tech gives it too much power over its competitors. It's claiming that Google's self-preferencing practices, like favoring its own products and services, are unfair to other companies trying to get a foothold in these markets. Rebecca, what kind of remedies do you think the government might be asking for? Will we see any divestitures or behavioral changes from Google? When it comes to potential remedies, Rebecca thinks the government might push for divestiture or breakup. Breaking up Google into smaller companies that would have less control over these markets could potentially open up new opportunities for competition. But there's also the possibility of behavioral remedies, telling Google to stop tying its products together in a way that gives itself an unfair advantage. Now let's take a closer look at what this means for investors and consumers alike. Rebecca, do you think we'll see any significant changes in the near future? For investors listening right now, it's worth noting that this is just one of many antitrust cases against Google, and there could be more on the horizon. Rebecca thinks we might see a hearing on remedy within the next few years, with both sides appealing the decision along the way. So what does all this mean for the future of tech regulation? According to Rebecca Allensworth, antitrust itself is a kind of deregulatory force. It encourages companies to compete and innovate. But when we look at other areas of regulation or deregulation, it's harder to say exactly how this will play out. That's what's happening in the world of online ad tech today, folks. With Google Trends Hub keeping you up to date on all the latest developments, stay ahead of the curve with our expert analysis and insights.